Today we're going to take a look at DMSS, Dahua Mobile Surveillance System. Due to demand, we're going to take a look at a few technical aspects, a few end user aspects. We're going to have a range of different videos that we're going to create about the actual app. And then of course we're going to take a look at its features and a few things, a few tips and tricks on what it can do. Then of course I'm just going to take you through a breakdown of the actual app, and of course you're going to be able to see it's incredibly feature rich. Starting off at the top even, you can actually see immediately that the Dahua app takes care of all of your video surveillance, takes care of your intercom, takes care of your access control. It also takes care of the future alarm configuration options that we're going to have. Also, you can see the sites that you have on your mobile app, and you can go through those easily. You can go into the messages that you see, and you can in fact actually see on how many stranger alarms that I have received, because I've got my own IVSS and there's a few people here that I don't recognize, as of which they have triggered my stranger alarm. If I go back onto the home page, I can click on playback and I can route through the actual playback options of the device. I can in fact actually even do a export from what I'm looking at and save it to this telephone's storage capacity also. I can take snapshots. I can then go into, let's say, into the actual devices. I can click on alarm details. I can subscribe to the alarm details, so what I want to receive, maybe my tripwire, my intrusions. I can change my lighting conditions. One of our newest options is the UPnP, Universal Plug and Play, where if I was to turn this feature on, if I had a Universal Plug and Play compatible router, I can in fact actually open up the ports needed to be able to make this device compatible for the World Wide Web. I can delete sites, I can view sites, I can in fact actually modify sites, and of course I can trigger alarms and do things such as active deterrent and video challenges or audio challenges to be able to project my voice, so then that way somebody potentially leaves the area. So DMSS, fully feature rich app.